Hello to all my sewing enthusiasts. Welcome to another Feature Friday Love Notions special. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all the details about the Tabitha top. The Tabitha top sewing pattern is a very versatile design that combines a lot of classic elements that can be customized to your taste. How do I know that? Well, stick around until the end and I'll show you why. So what are some of the features for the Tabitha top? Well, it has two neckline styles, a bateau and a round neck. It also has multiple sleeve options, unique hem choices, and yoke details. In my opinion, the Tabitha top combines endless possibilities, creating your ideal wardrobe staple. Let us talk about the bateau neckline, which is my favorite neckline style because I think it is such a graceful neckline, even for a t-shirt, and adds a touch of sophistication. This flattering neckline is suitable to all body types, creating a balance between modesty as it provides full coverage and a timeless style. So whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or going for a casual look, the Tabitha design has you covered. Let us talk about the sleeve options. You have the short sleeve, the 3/4 sleeves, full length sleeves, elbow length, and even a sleeveless option. Isn't that versatility for you? I love the range because it creates so many possibilities for you, especially those who have changing seasons. You have the choice between 3 distinctive hemlines as well: split, shirt tail, and trim. But in this version that I'm showing you, I did not use any of those versions. I actually just folded the hem and sewed it, and you may want to add a bit of length if you choose to do that. So basically you can sew the pattern in so many ways and no one will be the wiser that it is the same pattern. So customization is at the heart of the Tabitha top. So whether you prefer a relaxed vibe or a more structured appearance, the Tabitha top has you covered. And it creates so many different styles that I'm sure there's something for everyone. Let's not forget the yoke details. It has front and back yoke details, which opens up even more opportunities for creative use of fabric and combinations, use of embellishments. So you can choose to add the front and not add the back and not add the front, or add both. The choice is yours. You can see here I used a lace detail fabric for my front and it just made the black pop. So the Tabitha can look so different in so many ways. This pattern goes from sizes extra small to 3XL. So I hope I have convinced you that it is a must-have addition to your pattern collection and empower you to create new tops for your style, season, and occasion. This pattern is great for all sewing levels, even if you are just starting out, and it will expand your knowledge of sewing, like a bias tape, combining woven and knit. Those are some of the little techniques that you will learn in this pattern. So I hope that I was able to convince you that this pattern is awesome and that you'll be willing to try it and that you will grab it for today because it is on Feature Friday for $5. So I hope you are ready to embark on a creative journey with me to show you how to transform the Tabitha sewing pattern into an elegant A-line dress sewing pattern. Let's dive into this step-by-step process of doing this pattern conversion. I'll be using the Tabitha pattern and the Love Notions Sybil skirt pattern to do this. You will also need tracing paper or pattern paper to create the new pattern pieces. You will need pen and pencils for tracing and marking, your scissors for cutting, and your usual sewing supplies. To start, print your Tabitha top pattern. Ensure that the chosen pattern fits well at the bust and the waist, because these measurements will be the foundation of your A-line dress. I just used the length of the Sybil skirt, the longer length, for my dress length. Now lay out your Tabitha pattern on a flat surface. You'll need to extend the length to create the A-line silhouette. You can place additional paper under the pattern to trace a brand new pattern piece. However, I just pasted the two patterns together, the Tabitha and the Sybil. If you are going to retrace on a brand new piece of paper, ensure the paper is long enough to reach the desired dress length that you are going for, and maybe add a few inches for adjustment. One great thing is that the Tabitha top comes with a waistline notch on the pattern, which makes it great for aligning or positioning the Sybil skirt pattern. I'm just going to place the Sybil skirt waist at the Tabitha waist and stick them together. Once you're satisfied with your style, trace your new pattern piece, or if you have taped like me, just put the pattern on your fabric and cut it out. You can make an extension in a few ways. You can simply follow the lines of the bodice and the skirt, or you could trace to the waist and then extend from the waist a little further out from the Sybil for the skirt. Or you can extend in a trapeze formation from the underarm and just come out slightly to the hem, so you'll create a wider dress. You will notice that in my finished dress I have a center back seam, and I did that because I wanted to take care of my sway back adjustment, but that's not necessary if you don't need that adjustment. You will follow the sewing instruction for the Tabitha, but when it comes to hemming now, you will fold over the hem of your dress according to the seam allowance you added for your hem. This creative project allows you to take a familiar pattern and adapt it to your unique style. I really hope you enjoyed this little pattern change, and please be sure to grab the pattern while it is on Feature Friday sale today for only $5. Happy sewing, and I hope to see your Tabitha hacked dresses in the Facebook group. Bye.